Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In this tutorial, we are going to achieve a glittery pink eye makeup look that is truly shiny and mesmerizing. This eye makeup look is super easy. You will learn it step by step in less than 4 minutes. So if you'd like to try this eye makeup look, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using this vibrant pink eyeshadow from this palette and I'm applying it all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush or a blending brush to blend it seamlessly without any harsh lines. I really love the pigment of this eyeshadow. It's a cute pink shade that looks amazing when combined with glitter. For this eye makeup look, you can use your preferred eyeshadow palette. However, I have provided all the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I also applied this pink shade to the lower lash line using a small flat brush. Next, I take the same brush. I use a purple eyeshadow with a touch of black shade. I apply this combination only the outer corner of my eyelid and continue blending it towards the center. Make sure to use a fluffy brush for easier blending and to achieve a soft, seamless smoky effect without any harsh lines. The combination of the pink and dark purple eyeshadows is truly stunning and adorable. Additionally, this eye makeup is beginner friendly, so if you're just starting out, it's an excellent and easy choice. I also applied these two eyeshadow combinations from the outer corner of my lower lash line and blend them towards the center. Next, my favorite part is the glitter. I apply glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. See how the glitter enhances your eye makeup, makes it shiny and sparkling. I personally love it. I also apply glitter to my lower lash line, which really makes your eye makeup even more stunning and beautiful. I slightly intensify the pink eyeshadow and then switch to an eyeliner brush. I start applying glitter from the inner corner of my eyelid, following the natural curve of the crease and continue towards the center, similar to the technique used for cut crease, but instead of using concealer, I use glitter. I use gel eyeliner to draw a winged effect starting from the outer corner of my eyelid and extend it towards the center because it suits the shape of my eyes more. Based on your preference, you can also choose to extend the eyeliner to the inner corner of your eyelid. Our eye makeup is complete. To enhance the look, you can use mascara or false eyelashes. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. This eye makeup is super gorgeous and super easy. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I post tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play.